Hi, Namaskara. It's from ND Education. Today we have to discuss about GST. GST means goods and service tax. Yes, GST means what? Yeah, GST means what? Using of the goods and service, you have to giving the tax. That is called as a goods and service tax. Means GST. GST means it's the indirect taxes. Indirect taxes. Yes. Before you have to go into indirect taxes, you have to what the tax. Tax means you have to giving the extra amount of using of the goods or services. Using of the goods and services, you have to pay the extra amount. That is called as a tax. Okay, in tax actually we have to classify into two types. First one direct tax. Second one indirect tax. Direct and indirect. First one direct. Direct means that is a paid for on the behalf of your income. If you income base, you have to pay the tax. That is called as a direct tax. It is a only personally depend on person income. For example, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಕಟ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. Indirect tax means directly you not pay the taxes. You have to pay the for the using of the goods and services. You have to using of the goods and services on behalf of you have to pay the taxes. That is called as indirect taxes. I give an example. If you purchase vehicle, okay, if you purchase vehicle, that is the real price is 50,000. Vehicle price is real price is 50,000. You have to pay the sum of taxes on vehicle. That is 5,000 is tax. You have to pay the 55,000. What the extra amount? That is indirect taxes. Indirect taxes. Understand? What the purchase of the goods? When you purchase of the goods, that time you have to pay the sum of extra amount. That is called as indirect taxes. Okay. Yes. Before GST, India have the indirect taxes or not. Before GST means GST ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ indirect taxes ಇತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಎದಕ್ಕಿತ್ತ ಯಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ GST ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಟ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು, ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ just you have to see here indirect taxes structure in India. This is before GST. This is a before GST. Yes, first one is important taxes in India. That is several taxes are there, but today I will explain only what some important indirect taxes in India. This is only before GST. Keep in mind, this is a before GST. First one is service tax, second one is excise duty, third one is custom duty, and fourth one is value added tax, and fourth one is miscellaneous taxes. Means in that luxury tax, opera tax, CST means custom service tax. Next fourth one is entry, and last one toll tax. Yes. See here, indirect taxes in first one is service. Service means you have to know. Service means hospital, education institutions. There are several service are hotels. These are giving the service to us. That time you have to using that services. You have to pay the sum of amount. That is called as a service tax. And next one is excise tax. Excise means manufacturing good. Excise means you have to pay the tax on the behalf of the manufacturing of the goods. For example, if you have factory, okay, in there you have to producing the goods. That time you have to pay the taxes. That tax is called as excise duty. Understand? Excise duty means it's only relating to the manufacturing of the goods. Understand? It's a excise duty means manufacturing of the goods. That time you have to pay that taxes is called as excise tax. And next one is custom duty. Custom duty means it's only simple meaning it's a import and export. Import means import and export of the goods and services. Okay, keep in mind It's a custom duty means you have to sending the goods and services to the other nation. Other nation means you have to exporting the goods and service to the other nation. Other nation means ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರಫ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರಫ್ತು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಸುಂಕವನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟು ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. Okay, it is a multi-stage tax. This will be explained in the next chapter. And next one is miscellaneous taxes. In that part one is luxury. Luxury means you have to using the 3-star hotel, 4-star hotel, 5-star hotel. That time and also you have to using the more value goods. That is called as a luxury. If you buy the luxury car, if you using of the aeroplane, that comes under luxury. Octroi, this is very important. Octroi means is a relating to the state territory. Territory nations means territory states means that is ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ದೆಹಲಿಗೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾರಿಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೆಹಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆಕ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ one state to the territory states. That is called as a, in that time you have to pay some taxes. That is called as a octroi. This is a CST. CST means interstate and any nation, any states you have to exchange the goods and services, or you have to purchase or selling the goods and services to one state to another state. That time you have to pay the CST. And next, entry tax. Entry tax means it's only relating to the when you purchase the new vehicles you have to purchase. That time you have to pay the road tax. That is called as a what? Entry tax. And toll tax. Toll tax, you already heard that word. Toll means toll gate. Okay, you have to enter the passing of the your vehicle to one way to NH road. That time you have to pay the taxes. That is the tax called as a toll tax. Okay, these all are the indirect taxes of the Indian government. This is the structure of the indirect taxes. This is only before your GST. Keep in mind this is before of the GST. Now I will explain about the GST. Yes, GST. Why India is established? That is very important. Why the India is established the GST? Because of main theme of the GST is established for the all the indirect taxes is a headache for the all customers and all the wholesalers, all the retailers, because of it's a maintaining of the accounts. It's a overcome to the with all the threats, all the what the difficulties na ತೆಗೆದಾಕಕ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, GST ಏನು ಬಂತು, ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ. ಇದು when it is established in India, is established in India is on 1/7/2019. 1/7/2019 India was it is established in India. And GST, how many nations are using in present? More than 140 country. More than 140 country now present using of this GST rules in their nations. Okay. Yes, this is a basic introduction of the word GST. In next class we have to discuss about features of the GST and uses of the GST to the customer and manufacturer and retailer. All things we have to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you and thank you one and all. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and have to click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you.